Let's create a cover using the Cosmetic cover tool. First thing we need to do is load a scan of the prosthesis. So this is a scan that we took of. We just put a stocking net over the prosthesis and we scanned the leg. We imported it and used the option of knee to import the shape. Shape's imported. And now let's click on the tool and let's load the cover. So we can load it from, and I've got a cover prepared, so we load the cover, and that's what it looks like. And this is a scan of the sound side. It's now that we've loaded it, it automatically is inverted, and now all we need to do is alignment. So we position the cover where we want it. Okay, and we notice that if I take off the cover, you'll notice that wherever the leg is protruding will be added to the cover. So we'll have some bumps if we do, and let's be careful of how we locate it. Then we can do a little angular rotation to get the best placement of the cover over the prosthesis without having too many places where it protrudes. And that is not too bad. And then we can see from here, I'll just take the medial view, you can see it's got these two lines, and this shows where it's going to merge the two shapes. You could click on the select merge area, and you could change those options if you wanted. If you're happy with them, just click merge shape, and it'll create a model with the shape merged together. Anything that was protruding is now added, and anything that was reduced is reduced so that the cover will fit snugly on the prosthesis. I'm just going to remove the excess so we only print the part we want, and once we do that, we do a little trimming, and then we can look at the shape. The shape you can see is ready for trimming, and there's one or two little bumps, so let's give it a quick 1/over blend, and then we are ready to go. At this point, all we do is upload it to the printer, and away we go. Thank you for watching.